guys, welcome back to the vlog. I am your host Sonia. Guys, in today's video, well, my weekend video, you guys are just gonna see some family time along with some vlog time and some Goodwill shopping as well. So guys, just sit back and enjoy today's video and let me know what you think at the end. I got some nice things to show you and we had a lot of fun. And guys, get you some coffee, some tea, or some water. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't hit him with that stick. Go!
Mommy, mirror, mirror.
Okay, guys, I finally got home and I'm just going to show you the nice pieces that I found. I can't believe, okay, these pieces that I found, like everything that I got was very, very nice. These were originally like $4, and as you can see, they already have like tags that were already on there from like another store. However, I got them for $4 a piece, and they were actually end up being like $3 and some change, and that's gonna really look nice on the wall. And I know you guys probably already seen a picture of these in the intro, which is absolutely beautiful. I will be doing some photos in front of those pictures. And I got a mug here for this was 50 cents, and I just like what it says on both sides. I love the color of it, and I just love the fact that it's dishwasher safe and microwave safe. Even though I do not have a microwave, I still just like the look of it. And it has those kissy clips in the inside, which is very, very pretty to me. And yeah, on to the next item, which is this beautiful vase that has flowers already in it. It was $3. Everything I got, y'all, was 35% off. I ended up paying like what's it? Not 18. What was it? I ended up paying like for everything, it was like $12 or something. It was very, very affordable, and it was very, very like nice. But anyway, guys, this vase is ceramic, and I absolutely love it because I'm putting it on the dining room table, and it has some removable fall colors in it. So yeah, I absolutely love that. And then I found this loft scarf. I don't know if it's a scarf or is it a throw. I'm going to use it for a throw. However, it is the colors that I like, which are gray, and it's like an off-white. And one side of it is like a chevron print all the way on the side, and then the other side is basically like checkerboard. So yeah, I think that is very, very nice. And yeah, I can't wait to like put that on me. And yeah, so look how long that is. It's really, really long, guys. And this is really, really some really soft material, and very, very pretty. It's gonna add a nice touch.